ding dong. This is Ready Walmart. Hear me now. Burning down Babylon, one Bob Marley t-shirt at a time. Fire on my jerk pork. You ready Walmart. This is You Ready Walmart.
Tam hot cereals in aisle 9.
Ready Walmart, coming at you from the safest suburbs known to man. Dreading out every evening after 6, weekends and holidays. You don't know.
Alright, well, that's a wrap. I think that was pretty good. Can I take this wig off now? Because, man, it is itchy.